So looking back towards the front door, you have like a little small patio entryway right here. Screen door. And then a little entry gate. And here's the single car garage. So no entry to that from the inside of the house, just on the outside. Looking out from the front of the house into the main area of the community. All single story in this neighbourhood, except for about, I think it was 8 two-stories. And I remember talking to the sales rep and figuring out, trying to strategically place them so that they didn't really impose on any single stories. And they did that when they were into about 25% of building the community. So that's where you got Australia Parkway in the back there. You can probably still hear some of the traffic. So one thing I didn't mention while I was in the house, I did smell some smoke. I think somebody maybe not smoked in the house, but smokes, and it's just lingering a little bit. Not overpowering, not super strong, but I did notice it. I'm just holding on so that you can hear some of the traffic. I'm not hearing too much, which is typical when you want it to come by, but the cars are going back and forth up to Cantermere.